An NSF-funded research team led by the Florida Institute of Technology, or FIT, has documented for the first time a population of king crabs that has migrated to shallower, warming seas off the Antarctic Peninsula. The team believes this predator could potentially threaten an Antarctic ecosystem that has been crab-free for millions of years.
One of our objectives on this cruise was to try and catch live crabs, so we had some specimens to give us an idea of exactly what species of crab we were looking at. Now this is difficult and has never been done before because the crabs are in such deep water.
The team surveyed the population during a joint U.S.-Swedish expedition involving scientists from FIT, the University of Alabama, Birmingham, and Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. Using a camera sled towed by an NSF research vessel, the Nathaniel B. Palmer, they documented the king crab population. While the shallower waters near the surface currently remain too cold for the crabs to survive, the team found no barriers, including salinity levels or temperature, that would prevent the creatures from eventually emerging under the shallower outer Antarctic shelf.
Learning about the crabs down here is really important to us because we're interested in how the ecosystems and how the communities down here are changing. Now, this is relevant to every other part of the world because we're seeing an acceleration of climate change down here, but climate change is happening in every part of the world. So changes that we see down here, eventually we'll begin to see in other places as well.
Because other creatures on the outer shelf have evolved without shell-crushing predators, lead researcher Richard Aronson says if crabs moved in, they could completely restructure the peninsula ecosystem and could diminish the global diversity of marine environments. Long-term studies would be needed to confirm what researchers predict will happen.